You are watching Lekki Prime channel. I am Ahmed Kaz. The headlines: Why Lagos landlords agents continue to increase rents. Eid al-Adha dates announced for public sector. Alleged cybercrimes, Justice Chidebere secures bail. Now the news in details. Lagos landlords justify the ongoing surge in residential rents primarily by citing the severe impact of macroeconomic pressures, specifically rampant inflation and in the heavy depreciation of the naira. Property owners argue that these rent adjustments are necessary to maintain the value of their investments and offset the skyrocketing cost of building materials, property maintenance, security, and private electricity generation, which affects them just as much as their tenants. Furthermore, with foreign-based investors trying to protect their yields against currency devaluation, landlords increasingly view rent hikes as a survival mechanism in a harsh economic climate. Beyond these landlord-specific justifications, the broader real estate market as of May 2026 continues to be driven upward by a massive housing deficit. With Nigeria's housing shortfall exceeding 14 million units, the relentless influx of people into Lagos creates intense competition for limited spaces, giving property owners immense leverage to dictate prices. The supply gap is further worsened by the rapid proliferation of short-let apartments, as many landlords in premium and mid-market areas such as Lekki and Ajah are actively converting traditional residential apartments into short-term rentals to maximize profits, drastically reducing the pool of long-term affordable housing. Compounding the crisis, real estate agents and unregulated quack practitioners continue to exacerbate the situation by inflating agency and legal fees, significantly pushing up the initial cost of securing an apartment. Although the Lagos state government has repeatedly pledged to enforce stricter regulations, cap agent fee, and introduce structured monthly rental system to curb arbitrary hikes, the overwhelming demand for accommodation continues to outpace practical legal enforcement, leaving tenants with few alternatives but to pay the increased rates or relocate further to the city's outskirts. Following the announcement of the recent moon sighting for the holy month of Ajah, the federal government of Nigeria, through the Ministry of Interior, has officially declared Wednesday, May 27th and Thursday, May 28, 2026 as public holidays to mark the Eid al-Kabir celebration. This announcement aligned with the declaration from the Sultan of Sokoto and the President General of the Nigerian Supreme Council of Islamic Affairs, Al-Haji Mohammed Sa'ad Abubakar, who confirmed on Monday, May 18 as the first day of Ajah 1447 AH following the weekend's moon observation. Consequently, the significant day of the Arafah will be observed on Tuesday, May 26, immediately followed by the two-day national holiday. The government has congratulated the Nigerian Muslim Imam on this occasion and urged all citizens to use the period to pray for peace, unity, and economic progress across the nation, with normal public and private sector operation expected to fully resume on Friday, May 29th. The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has granted bail to popular social media influencer and activist Justice Chidebere, widely known as Justice Crack. Following a turbulent legal sequence rooted in cybercrime allegations, the Department of State Service (DSS) initially arraigned Chidebere on a three-count charge involving cybercrime, felony, and breach of public peace. Following viral videos he posted online concerning the feeding condition and welfare of Nigerian soldiers, the Nigerian military alleged that his digital interactions went beyond public commentary and bordered on inciting supervision within the armed forces. The part of its release faced significant legal hurdles. The bail proceedings, originally scheduled earlier in the month, suffered a major setback when a dramatic dispute erupted between his lawyers over legal representation. After Chidebere explicitly chose a new defense team, his former counsel withdrew all pending filings, forcing the court to strike out the original bail application and push the hearing forward. In a decisive court session preceding Judge Joyce, Abdul Malik granted the activist bail set at 5 million naira, with one surety in the same amount. The court attached strict conditions to the bail perfection, requiring that the surety must be a federal civil servant of at least grade level 15 who has resided within the court jurisdiction for no less than 4 years. Furthermore, the surety must provide verified proof of residence, pensionable employment, and 3 months of salary payment, while Chidebere is required to surrender his international passport to the court's registry. During the same session, the prosecution officially commenced its trial by presenting a DSS operatives as its first witness, who introduced forensic telephone data and investigation reports into evidence. Following the defense arguments and the formalization of the bail structure, the trial was adjourned until May 25, 2026 for further continuation. Now recap on the headlines. While Lagos landlords' agents continue to increase rents, Ajah holiday dates announced for public sector. Alleged cyber crimes, Justice Chidebere secures bail. Keep watching Lekki Prime channel and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social media platform. I am Ahmed Krabs.